సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
उनके कोच एवं टीम इंडिया को हार्दिक बधाई शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। प्रश्नकाल। माननीय सदस्यगण, मैंने कई बार सदन के सभी माननीय सदस्यों से आग्रह किया है, प्रश्नकाल माननीय सदस्य का अधिकार है और प्रश्नकाल के अंदर सरकार की जवाबदेही तय होती है। मैंने ये सदन के माध्यम से भी और फ्लोर लीडरों की मीटिंग में भी आप सबसे आग्रह किया है कि सदन में प्रश्नकाल के अंदर सदन को बाधित नहीं करें। प्रश्नकाल महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है, सदस्यों को सवाल उठाते हैं, सरकार की जवाबदेही तय होती है। आप प्रश्नकाल नहीं चलाना चाहते, प्रश्नकाल बाधित करना चाहते हैं, सदन की कार्रवाई आज 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
14 and 15 reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on External Affairs, 18th Lok Sabha, as listed against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Statements by Ministers. Shriman Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to make a statement regarding A, the status of implementation of recommendations of leak observations contained in the 409th report of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on Science, Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, demand for grants 26-27 pertaining to the Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology. B, the status of implementation of recommendations of leak observations contained in the 411th report of the Department-related Parliament Standing Committee on Science, Technology, Forest, Environment, Climate Change, on demand for grants 2026-27 pertaining to the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Shriman Gajendra Singh Shekhawat Ji.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendations, observations contained in the 376th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture on demand for grants 25-26 pertaining to the Ministry of Culture. Thank you.
Honorable members, I have admitted the notice received from Shriman Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji for moving the motion of consideration. I am coming back, please. Consideration of the public examination, prevention of unfair means, Amendment Bill 2026 as passed by the Lok Sabha. Today in Rajya Sabha by grant of waiver under Rule 123 of the Rules of Procedures and Conduct of Business in Council of States, that is Rajya Sabha. Accordingly, a supplementary list of business for today has been issued for taking up this bill for consideration and passing. Honorable members, the copy of the bill as passed by the Lok Sabha was circulated to members electronically through members portal around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. In view of the short time period available to members, I have decided that those members who decide to give notices of amendments to the said bill may do so now till 12:30 p.m. today, so as to enable the Secretariat to process.
పార్లమెంట్ ఆవరణలో విపక్ష ఎంపీలు నిరసన చేపట్టారు. విద్యార్థులపై లాఠీ చార్జికి ఎవరు ఆదేశాలు ఇచ్చారంటూ ప్లకార్డులు ప్రదర్శించారు.
आपको दिखेंगे आज उनके प्रदर्शन का मुद्दा है कि होम मिनिस्टर कायर है, जवाब दो, जवाब दो, अमित शाह जवाब दो, लाठी टोली की सरकार। प्रियंका गांधी धर्मेंद्र यादव
పార్లమెంట్ ఆవరణలో విపక్ష ఎంపీలు నిరసన చేపట్టారు. విద్యార్థులపై లాఠీ చార్జికి ఎవరు ఆదేశాలు ఇచ్చారంటూ ప్లకార్డులు ప్రదర్శించారు.
हाथों में आपको साफ तौर से मिल सकता है ऑर्डर किसने दिया ऑर्डर बच्चों में गुनाह करने वाला अमित शाह बच्चों में प्राइवेट गन चलाने वाला अमित शाह
పార్లమెంట్ ఆవరణలో విపక్ష ఎంపీలు నిరసన చేపట్టారు. విద్యార్థులపై లాఠీ చార్జికి ఎవరు ఆదేశాలు ఇచ్చారంటూ ప్లకార్డులు ప్రదర్శించారు.